So we've talked about how all of the algebra affects the continuity of functions, and now we'll talk about composing two functions. So it says let f of x and g of x be two continuous functions. If f of x is continuous at a and g of x is continuous at f of a, then g composed with f of x is continuous at a. Now, what this means is if we know two functions are continuous everywhere from negative infinity to infinity, then we would know that their composition would have to be continuous everywhere. So, for example, here it says show that the following functions are continuous everywhere. Well, we have g of x is the absolute value of x squared plus 3x minus 7. Well, we can say that since x squared plus 3x minus 7 is continuous everywhere, and the absolute value of x, so kind of what we're plugging that into, is continuous everywhere, their composition must be continuous everywhere. Okay, so let's look at another one. It says let f of x is sine of x over sine of x plus 2. Now, we know that we can say we know sine of x is continuous everywhere. And then we would want to look at x over x plus 2. Well, x over x plus 2 is continuous everywhere except where it's undefined at x equals negative 2. Well, we also know that sine of x is never negative 2, right? Sine of x goes between negative 1 and 1. So the composition sine of x over sine of x plus 2 is continuous everywhere.